we've had our potatoes set aside, they're frying up, and we want to season those up now. As you can see, they're getting golden brown. Remember, they were parboiled before, so they're getting a little bit light. We're going to still, as you see, that's coming apart right there, just perfect. Al dente. It's got the green onions in there, they've cooked down. Now we want to season it a little bit. So again, we want some salt. Remember, we salt them a little bit in the water, so be very careful with this. You don't want to over salt. You can always add later at the table. Want to add some black pepper. Throw out a few grinds of that. And I like to use a little garlic powder to it. This has a little parsley in it. I'm going to add a little bit more later. So I want a pretty nice little, about a teaspoon ought to be good for this amount. And then a little bit of parsley. This is dried parsley, so it's a little bit stronger than if you get fresh, so go easy on it. But it adds some nice color to it, as you'll see.